Just to recap and maybe to summarize from the line of questioning about your credentials as a police reservist trainer and more particularly as a lecturer, because you said you lectured in subjects of police administration, crime investigation, criminal law, and also the Constitution, and probably the most important part of our Constitution, which is human rights. Yes, the Bill of Rights and human rights is the same thing. But do you accept that you didn't have any formal training or qualifications to give lectures or to teach people in these subjects?
As I said, I went on a trainer's course. Now,
is that the one in Paarl?
Yes, and the manuals, if you put them on a table, they would probably sit up to about there, and there would be about 30 books or 20 books, a lot of them, and they were different colors depending on the subject. And the trainer was how to take people through those manuals.
So you went on train the trainer course?
Correct.
And were you accredited for that?
I was issued a certificate that I was authorized to provide this training.
And who paid for this training?
It was the government, obviously, that paid for it.
The police?
Yes.
And you volunteered this training. You didn't get.
I was asked to go on the course. Okay. They were looking for people that would go on the course, and I was asked, and I went on it.
Okay.